Hey guys, today I have received my Ipsy Plus monthly beauty subscription. You receive 5 full-size beauty products for just under $30, which includes shipping. You choose 3 of the beauty products, and the other 2 are based on your profile. You can order free products with the points you earn through Ipsy. So this here is the Sun Goddess Quad by HipTot, which retails for $18. And this was 1,800 of my Ipsy points. You get the points by people signing up under your link, and then every time you receive a product, you review it, and you get 15 points, and then they add up, and you get your free products. So the Sunbeam here is called Burnt Peach. The Golden Hour is called Warm Golden, and then the Radiance is Golden Peach, and the Sheena is Cool Champagne. These are used to highlight, contour, blush, and bronzer. The remaining products are the 5 products that came this month in my subscription. Sometimes they actually come inside the Ipsy bag. Mine are just not in the bag this time. So let's go ahead and pull out the first product. This is a Pretty Woman nail polish trio that retails for $15. They're 10 milliliters each. And I really do love getting nail polishes with Ipsy. This is not my choice. This is an item that they chose for me. And the 3 shades are called Beige Shimmer, a Dark Honey, and a Burgundy. And it says that they are chip resistant. The next item was my choice, which is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. It's a 10-pan palette. It has neutrals and brights. Retails for $36. I normally get a all skincare. I just didn't want what they were offering this time, so I got makeup instead. But look how pretty. Look at all these pretty shades. You got some mattes and some shimmers. A nice variety of colors. So really pretty. Probably end up in a giveaway, but definitely a beautiful palette. Okay, so the next one is the Yenza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Polishing Mask. This retails for $45. It's a 70 milliliter in size. It also has a grapefruit for brightening, and it's infused with superfoods such as ginger, which is for skin tone, and papaya for discoloration. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. It can be used 3 to 4 times weekly. Every month, the Ipsy Plus comes with a drawstring bag. It's different color, different design. This one looks like it's a royal blue with a crown, heart, and a star with a golden drawstring. There is a theme every month, and on the card that's inside this bag, it tells about the theme, which doesn't have any information about the actual products, though, or the prices, so we'll just briefly look at that. The theme is Royal Treatment. It says your throne awaits, and you can follow #Ipsy Royal Treatment on Instagram. Okay, so the next item, which Ipsy chose for me, is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. This retails for $40. It's a 15 milliliter size, full size, ultra potent and fast absorbing with skin brightening for vitamin C, turmeric, ginger root extract. It plus has nourishing primrose to fade hyperpigmentation, even out skin tone, and minimize dullness and dryness. You only use a few drops morning and night. Okay, so my 5th item is the Ofra Cosmetics Cheek Palette. There's 2 blushes and then a highlighter. So you can see that pretty champagne highlighter in the middle. And this is a cheek palette that retails for $35. All right, so these are the 5 full-size products that I received in my Ipsy Plus for the month of December 2021. They're always full size in the Ipsy Plus. So the Sunday Riley retails for $40. The Pretty Woman nail polish retails for the trio retails for $15. The Violet Voss eyeshadow palette retails for $36. The Yenza Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 polishing mask retails for $45. And then the Ofra Cosmetics cheek palette retails for $35. Then, of course, we have the drawstring bag that comes with it every month. So if you were to buy these products individually, the retail price would be $171. So I think it's a great deal. So do you think it's a good bag, lousy bag? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.